Let me show you the skin modifier inside of Blender. When I select my mesh right here, I can find the modifiers right here, then look for skin and select this one. Now you can see it plays along on the edges and the vertices. And when I, for example, go into edit mode, with Ctrl A, this is how I scale with this modifier, I can select the thickness and smooth it out like this. So now you can see how it does this on the edges and the vertices. Let's go for a new example. What is mainly used for? So let's select the cube, go to edit mode, and with M let's merge them at center, so I have one vertex to play around with. Let's drag it up a bit. Now let's create a stick figure. I like to play with stick figures. And let's shape it like a stick figure, of course. Very simple. This should do for our example. So right here he is. Let's call him Gary. Now, Gary needs some skin. He needs to buff up. We can do this not only in the gym, but here with the skin modifier. And let's add the skin modifier. Now he's really fat. But once again, we can go to edit mode. Hit A to select all points, and with Ctrl A to scale him down. Now we can make him however we like. Also, select a single one here to make the head bigger. You can also go here to wireframe mode to make things easier for you. Okay, and what some people then do is they go to modeling, to sculpting, and sculpt it out like this so they have a basic mesh to work with. Or what you can do then, let's say you're happy with your character for some reason. Now this is not perfect, but you can create an armature. And right away, it has weights to it, is an armature to it, and I immediately can go to pose mode. I can play around with my guy. I can rotate his head, for example. You can also use this to create branches for trees and then cover them up with leaves, for example. So these are the basics of the skin modifier, and it's pretty fun to play around with. Have a go with it.